Hey guys, welcome to another video of Stock Market Solutions. So today's video is going to be kind of a live trade video. I did record myself trading. So this is my trade of yesterday, the 3rd March. But the only thing is my mic was on mute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just comment my own video. Just before explaining you my thoughts and my idea behind my trade of yesterday, I just want to say sorry. I know I didn't post any videos since I think 4 weeks, even a little bit more than 4 weeks. The reason is, by the way, I did not stop trading. I will always trade. Is I'm trying to do a lot of new stuff. I'm trying to swing trade, long-term trade. So I was on a paper account trying to figure out a new strategy to make money. And I was also a lot with my main account because there was stock that was gapping up really high on my main account watch list. So that's why I was on my main account and paper money. So I didn't have time to just add my small account. So sorry about that. So I think I will post a video about my swing trade strategy and long term soon, because I did develop a new strategy. Anyways, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to comment my video. So today yesterday the ticker that I was looking is the one in front of you, SLGG. So this ticker was gapping up 50%. So you can see right now that there's a nice resistance at 580, and remember this price, 550. So you're gonna see that the first candlestick went to a low of 550. What you're gonna realize is at 550 there's two things. There's first the support that the first candle did, and there's something that is called the VWAP. So the VWAP is on the 550. By the way, just before giving you more details about this ticker, I'm using Trade Zero Pro. I don't use the software, the web version or the cell phone version. I'm using only the pro version. You can get $10 off discount if you go check my link on the bio. There's like a code that is going to give you like $10 of discounts per month. So you're going to save more than you're going to save $120 a year, which is great. Anyway, so let's come back to the stock. So you see right now we have a nice doji. This thing is forming a doji, but still each time that the stock was touching this area of 550, the stock went up. Buyers were coming out more aggressive. By the way, just a point that a lot of new traders make mistake is when I say area, or when I put a line, like you can see right now 580 is a nice resistance, and I told you that 550 is a key support point. It's an area, it's not just a line. So you have to think that it can go at 551 or 552 or 549. For me, it didn't break support yet. So you see right now, still the same story. So going to 580 to 550. So this stock right now is in period of consolidation. It's just trading between the 550 area to the 580. By the way, also for new traders that are looking my videos, on my left chart I have the 1 minute, and on the right I have my 5 minute. So right now I'm thinking about buying this stock the moment that it break 550. I'm putting 540 because I believe that the moment that it's going to break this 550, the stock will go so fast that I will not get filled at 550. And guys, confirmation is key. So usually I do anticipate movement before the break, so I'm gonna get in before the break. But on a small account, you cannot do this mistake, because this mistake can cause you like all your account. This account is only funded with $1,000, not more. I did show you a couple of proof on my couple last videos. So you see again, we have 580. The moment that it touched 580, sellers were coming in. And the moment that is going to 550, buyers are coming in. I mean, with a candlestick like this, usually I will go short directly, but I cannot do this with my small account. So I'd rather see lower low and lower high. So it depends on this candlestick. So this thing is making higher high right now. So you see 580, we are playing with the 580. So right now I'm trying to see if what's the low of this candlestick, and it break 580. So I did good to not enter. A lot of you guys gonna ask me why you didn't get long when it broke the 580, because you don't get long just on the first candle that break the resistance. You need a confirmation. You need to expect a pullback. So that's what it's doing right now. And I don't like to play with stock that break resistance. I don't like to get in because a lot of time they are false breakout. So be careful guys with the false breakout. So right now there's people, I'm pretty sure that's going long right now, which is the worst idea that you can do, because you need to expect the pullback. Like, I mean, guys, don't go long right now. It's too late. Don't chase the price. Wait that it come back to a certain price, and after that, when it's gonna make higher high and higher low, now you get in. Like, don't get in at 622 when the stock went to 630, from 560 to 630. It's useless. I mean, you can get in. I'm gonna short and I'm gonna make money on you. So it depends on you. So typically, usually what I like to do on my main account, I love those setup because a lot of them they are false breakout. So what I do is, you see the second candle right now is making a low of 610 almost. So I will short at 610. Like this is what, 614, 611. So 610 will be a nice area to go short if it can break the 610. So right now it's just playing between close to the 610, but didn't break 610. So you see, it's not making higher high and higher low, and volume is decreasing. So this is another indicator that is telling you the movement is maybe tired. So right now the question is, do you want to get long with a movement that is tired like this, or do you want to wait? So 610, 6.8 broke the 610. I did not get in because my strategy with this taker with my small account was 550, guys. Remember 550. So still going down at 6.2, 6.1. You see buyers are coming in right now around 595 around. So now it's making higher high, but you see at 630 there's a big seller. Look at the level 2, guys. Also there's a big seller at 630. So I mean, if you see a big seller on level 2 and you don't have this quantity of shares to beat the seller, and you see on the bid side there's not enough of buyers, why will you get long? Maybe you have too much money, I don't know. So you see at 630, guys, there's a big one that is just shorting at 630. So my plan is 550 get short. I mean, I can go short the moment that it go low right now, but my plan with this sticker was to go short at 550. So I'm gonna wait 550. So right now it's making higher high, broke the resistance of 630. So you think it's a nice movement, and sellers are coming in. Same story, guys. You see, confirmation is key. I don't like this movement to go long. Another reason why is it didn't retest the 580. So it was a nice resistance 580, but it didn't retest it. Sometimes they can go like break 580 and never retest it and still going up and up, but it's not my strategy. I like to have a confirmation. So you see this candle, this is the candle, this is the panic sellers that did get long at 630. The moment that it broke 630, they were thinking that we're gonna get the same movement as the break of 580, and now they are just selling the position because they went long and they don't want to get to have a bigger loss. So right now we have a double bottom. You see 595, 595. So we have a double bottom. What that means is the moment that is going to break this 595, stock's going to go down really fast. But keep in mind, VWAP, stock is over VWAP. So we have a nice support at 580 and we have a double bottom at 595. So you have to expect when it's going to break the 595, this thing is going to bounce back on the 580 before crashing. I mean, nothing is guaranteed, guys. So you see, we have almost the same type of candlestick as the previous one, like 595 buyers coming in, forming almost the same candlestick, but this time, no, sellers are more aggressive. So broke the 595-ish. So you see, one time, the moment that it broke the 595, everyone is selling right now. And guys, like I said, big movement, VWAP at 580, support at 580. So you need to expect a bounce back. So right now I'm just deciding just to see something. Yeah, I'm deciding to just get in maybe at 580 the moment that it breaks 580, but I don't think it's a good idea. So still waiting. So like I said at the beginning, bounce back on VWAP. So what time is it right now? It's almost 9:43, and I still didn't trade of the day. I didn't make one trade of the day. Still waiting for my plan. So my plan is 550. I'm gonna wait at 550. So another thing, guys, 580 is a nice way to get short. You can see I put my price 350 shares at 576. I'm ready to go short, but I will not go short. I'm gonna cancel everything because this movement is overextended. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 big candlestick red, overextended. If the price had, example, if the price was going up at 580, so we have a green candlestick, maybe the break of 580 I will go short. But I mean, right now it's overextended, guys. We went from 640 to 570, 65, overextended. We didn't have a nice green candlestick. So right now you have to expect broke the 580, it's gonna come back to 580 to retest it. So this is what I like. So you see right now is trying to get higher than 572, but nothing is working. Still, this movement is overextended, guys. Like, I want to get in at 550. That's better. I need to see a green candlestick coming in. So right now, I want to get in. I really want, but I have to respect my plan. Like, the movement is overextended, too risky. I mean, I can get in and get stuck after because people who are shorting, they're going to cover the position at 550 or 560. They're going to cover a lot of their position. So I'm going to be stuck. When people cover, they buy. So price is going to go up like right now. So that's why I'm not sure right now. I think I'm going to keep it like this, not trade. I need to see a green candlestick. So we are having a nice candle here. So this is a nice candle. So we are close to my area, 550. Like I said, 550 key area. That's better. You see this candlestick? If it can close green, that's perfect because it's trying to retest this 580. So I know that there's a lot of people that are covering their position. So I know that I will not get stuck in the stock, in the price, if I decide to go short at 550. So still, look at that, 550 is going to retest it. Right now is actually a nice way, it's a nice solution to get in if it can make higher lower low and lower high. So we are at 556, 57. A lot of buyers at 555. I don't know if you saw 555. There's a lot of buyers over there. So we are close. Sellers are coming in. 552. So I did put 542. I'm waiting the break of 550. And this thing is still bouncing back on 550. So can it break 550? $554, 553. It's at the door of 550. You see how many buyers there's at 553? But sellers are coming in right now. So I'm getting ready. I did put 542 just in case if I miss the movement. And no, too much buyers, guys. I told you there was a big buyer at 553. Like I think it was like it was a position of 13,000 shares at 555, 53 actually. So that's why we didn't have enough of sellers coming in. But still, we did test the VWAP again. So we are in period of consolidation right now between 550 to 570. So it's a question of time. Look at that, again, touch the 550, went up. Sellers are coming in, but buyers are more aggressive right now. So we need to see a lot of sellers. So 554. So I'm in at 542. So I got filled at 542, which is good. So now we need to break the 540 and the 530 area. I don't know if you realize something, but this is the new version of TradeZero Pro. So you can see exactly what's going to be your PNL at a certain price on the chart. So you don't have to check on top right to see exactly how much money you are. You see it on the chart. So I know that at 525, I'm going to make $60, at 510, 112. And yeah, I love this new version, guys. It's wow. And I didn't have any problem yet with this version. So 537. So broke the 550. We are at 536 right now, playing at 525. And I don't want to be greedy. So my objective is just to make a couple of dollars. I'm on my small account, so I cannot expect to make the same amount of money with my main account. I cannot expect to make $400 or $500 with $1,000. I mean, it can happen, but I don't want to be greedy with a small account of $1,000. So around $100, guys, honestly, is perfect. So I make 10% a day with a small account. So this is great. I mean, 10%, even nobody give you 10%, honestly. Like, you make 50% of your account after 1 week. You have to expect red day also, but I mean, it's an average. So right now you have to expect this thing went from 550 to 525. There's going to be buyers coming in, and there's going to be people who are covering the position coming in. So when you cover, you buy. So it's normal to see a green candlestick. I mean, the price was in period of consolidation, broke. We had a nice big red candlestick. So it's normal to see buyers coming in. You cannot just expect everything to be red, red, red. So that's why I'm not, I did put a stop loss, mental stop loss at 558 in case if it go at 558, I'm going to cover, because I know that at 550, it's a key area. So if it break again, look at that, 180 on this ask side. We had two big person who did sell a lot of shares. They were on the ask size on level 2. So right now it's a question of time. So still at $28. So like I said, $28. Can we break this 525? So sellers are coming in more aggressive. They want to bring the price down. And you see at 530, there's a lot of buyers. Look at level 2, guys. Look at level 2, 530. There's a lot of buyers. So if we can break this 530, everyone who is buying, they will have to sell because the price will go down. And if they sell, the price will go more down. So I'm at $50 almost ish. Like I said, my objective is not to make a 500. So the moment that I'm gonna see a nice movement, I'm out. So I'm at 63, and you know what, I'm out. There's too much buyers on the bid side, so I'm out with $70. The reason is there was too many buyers at look at the buyers, guys, at 520. Too many buyers, so the stock will go up, and I don't want to be stuck with them, so I decided to just quit. $70. I mean, this 350 shares is going to cost me $1.70 max, and it cost me around $10 to look at shares, and I'm going to get a credit for that because I'm going to sell them. So I mean, I'm at up $70. I hope that you like this video, this way to make videos. Sorry again, guys, I was on mute, that's why I did this type of video. If you have any question, you can always leave them on the comment, and have a good one, guys. Thanks.